Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Love sa inyo, guys. Thank you so much. And, yeah, Miss Paulette, thank you so much sa SMS na nakatambay sa atin yun, guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Okay, thank you guys. Maraming salamat na kalula ko. Last song na natin guys. Ayan. Let's end our LS with
Sing
this.
motto.
OMG na song. Oh yes, thank you so much everyone. Thank you. I'm so young and you're so old. Yes, my darling, I've been told I don't care what they say, 'cause forever I will pray. You and I will be as free as the birds up in the trees. Oh, please stay by me, Diane. Yes, I can when you hold me close. Oh, my darling, you're the most. I love you, but you love me. Oh, Diana, can you see? I love you with all my heart, and I hope we will never be apart. Oh, please stay by me, Diana. Oh my darling, oh my lover, tell me that there's no other. I love you with all my heart. And take my heart, only you can tear it apart. When you're hold me in your loving arms, I can feel you giving all your charms. Hold me, darling, hold me tight. Squeeze me, baby, with all your might. Oh, please stay by me. Woohoo! Thank you so much, guys. Sa mga nakatambay dyan, guys. Maraming salamat. This is our last song na. Thank you so much. Good night, everyone. Thank you so much po. Meron pa pala isa. Late. Meron pa pala isa. Si Carol. Oh, Carol. Oh, yes. Oh, Carol. Oh, yeah. I'm but a fool. Woo-hoo. Darling, I love you. Though you treat me cruel, you hurt me and you make me cry. But if you leave me, I will surely die. Darling, there will never be another. Woo-hoo. 'Cause I love you so. Miss Paulette, don't ever leave me. Say you'll never go. I will always want you for my sweetheart. No matter what you do. Oh, okay.